Today we're going to replace the wheel bearing on a 2008 Outback. And I brought along the sound recorder. Let's switch over to that now, because the sound recorder will get us a much better feel for the sound we're going to hear inside the car, what it sounds like when you have a really, really bad wheel bearing. I mean, this thing is horrible. It's like the wheel is about to fall off. Seriously, guys, don't drive like this if you hear this sound. All I did was replace the battery. There we go, there we go. Safety first. When you turn left, grind's really bad. I'm just gonna stop at the stop sign and go back home. Okay. Yeah, that's bad. All right, let's pull into the driveway. I just had to let you hear that before we go and replace the bearing. All right, let's get to work. I got a punch. Unstick this. Oh, wow. You guys gotta see this. The stake is over here. It's supposed to be up here where the notch is, but it has come all the way around back to here. So somehow it has loosened up a lot. That's weird. Anyway, we're gonna unstake this right here, or try to. So I think it spun because of the failed bearing, not the other way around. Oh well, let's just see if we can get this off. Take that off of there. That won't work. Check it out, the wheel speed sensor. Oh, let's just clean it up a little bit. Anti-seize on here. No impact. Okay, torque wrench. There's the cover protecting the tone ring. Need a little pry action on this. There it is. Put a little anti-seize on here, just for the next guy who might have to replace this in 150 to 200,000 miles. All right. I need to put it in neutral so I can turn the wheel a little bit. Should be able to turn this now. I gotta line up the bolts before I get it all pushed in. All right, now I gotta look up the factory specs. I take that back. Before I look up the factory specs, I gotta take my wheel bearing back off and put that on. There we go. Now we can put this on. That is 162 foot-pounds. Let's drive the stake in. There. Now it won't come undone by itself. Oh man. I put it in backwards. It's in backwards. Can you believe it? Now I gotta do it all over again. I would have been thinking, I would have remembered that the brake caliper goes on this side. .48 foot-pounds again. $162. That fits. Let's restake this. Repair is complete without a before and after comparison. Well, that main noise is gone, but it might have another wheel bearing that needs servicing. Yeah, it's got another wheel bearing going out. You can hear that, right? You think you're done? Not always. Today we're going to replace the wheel bearing. Today we're going to replace the wheel bearing. Oh man, this is terrible.